Hey guys, in this video we'll try some of the quick fixes to solve Instagram message not opening problem. So as you can see, no matter how many times I click, no messages are showing properly. So to solve this issue, what we'll do is we'll report this problem to the Instagram. For that, shake your phone for 2 times and you will see report problem option appear. Now click on report problem, tap on include and continue, and just write, dear Instagram, today message is not working in my device. Please fix. After that, just click on send and Instagram will quickly solve your issue. Until you get any response from the Instagram community or Instagram team, what you can do is hold on Instagram app for some time and click on icon. Now scroll down to stories and click on clear cache and click on clear data. So these two things should solve any glitches that may prevent from loading the messages section properly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like if any of the methods work for you.